Hello friends, today I am going to talk about diabetes in pregnancy. Diabetes in pregnancy is a terminology used to cover three different diseases. So one is pre-existing diabetes, that is diabetes was present before the pregnancy and now the patient is pregnant. Second thing, it covers early gestational diabetes, that is diabetes first time diagnosed in pregnancy before 6 months of pregnancy, and late gestational diabetes mellitus, that is diabetes diagnosed at the 6 to 7 month of pregnancy. So when we call a pregnant lady to have diabetes, for that thing we ask the patient to do a test called oral glucose tolerance test, in which either we give 75 to 100 milligram of glucose, and we check the blood glucose level before giving the glucose, and 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour after the giving glucose. Depending on the different criteria, we call the patient to have diabetes if fasting is more than 92 or if 2 hour value is more than 153 milligram per deciliter. So there are certain risk factors for the diabetes in pregnancy. Those are family history of diabetes, obesity, PCOD, insulin resistance. Why it is important to know diabetes about pregnancy? Because it affects both mother and fetus. So if diabetes occurs early in pregnancy, it may result in congenital malformation in heart, spine, and it may result in early pregnancy loss. If it occurs late in pregnancy, it may result in large baby or it may result in small baby. The newborn baby may have difficulty in respiration, jaundice, or other metabolic problems. For mother, it results in hypertension, then preterm delivery, and increased risk of cesarean section. So, if a woman develops diabetes in pregnancy first time, there is 20% increased risk of development of diabetes in future pregnancy. Similarly, there is increased risk of development of diabetes throughout her rest of life. So the treatment of diabetes in pregnancy is simple. It involves three parameters. One is regular exercise, second is diet, third thing is medicines. So in exercise we advise the patient to do simple walking 30 minutes a day. Additionally, we ask the patient to walk for 5 to 10 minutes after breakfast, lunch and dinner. In diet, we advise patient frequent small meal with increased protein intake, reduction in the carbohydrate, and increased fiber content. So the diet needs to be individualized based on patient's cultural pattern and patient's taste preferences. The medicines which can be used in pregnancy are metformin and insulin. So both are the medicines are safe in pregnancy. They don't affect the baby. Additionally, we need to have frequent blood glucose monitoring in pregnancy, and that can be achieved by using glucometer, and the cutoff for the blood glucose levels are slightly tighter than the non-pregnant ladies. That is, if we are checking fasting blood glucose level, that should be below 95, and if you are checking postprandial blood glucose levels, that should be less than 120 milligram per deciliter. If you take a proper care, the complications to mother and fetus can be minimized. So please consult your gynecologist and endocrinologist for management of diabetes in pregnancy. Hi friend, hope you like this video. To know more, please visit our website www.swamiclinic.in, or if you have any further queries, you can send your queries on WhatsApp number 7420872139. Please like our channel, subscribe it and share it.